So which states
Yeah.
employ the most mechanical engineers?
Okay, so leading the pack by a significant margin
Okay.
is Michigan. 32,580 mechanical engineers employed.
Wow. Okay.
I mean, annual wage there is $99,690,
Okay.
which, aligns with Michigan's long history
Yeah, absolutely.
as a manufacturing hub,
Oh,
particularly automotive.
right, the Motor City, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Okay, what about number 2?
Number 2 is California
Okay.
with 27,420 mechanical engineers.
Mm-hmm.
But much higher mean annual wage, $126,600.
Wow. Okay.
So cost of living is probably a factor there,
Yeah.
but it also suggests a strong demand
Mm-hmm.
and maybe a slightly different mix of industries
Yeah.
compared to Michigan. So perhaps more tech,
Right.
more aerospace in California.
Makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I imagine there's quite a bit of
Right.
activity in Silicon Valley and that sort of thing.
Exactly. Okay, so following California, we've got Texas,
Okay.
19,630 engineers,
Mm-hmm.
an annual wage, $112,310.
Mm-hmm.
Then Pennsylvania, 19,060, $105,570.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, Ohio, 15,160, $97,520.
Okay.
So you can see a clear concentration in the Midwest,
Yeah.
but
Good
also
point.
significant numbers in California and Texas.
Yeah, it's interesting how even though the Midwest is kind of, historically the manufacturing hub, the Rust Belt, whatever you want to call it,
Right.
that California and Texas are really
Yeah.
making a showing there as well.
Yeah, they're up and coming for sure.
Yeah. Okay, so we've looked at the states with the highest numbers, but similar to what we talked about with industries, it's also helpful to see which states have the highest concentration of mechanical engineers in their workforce.
Right.